Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform leveling on Anycubic Kobra Neo. To do this, first we'll need to click on menu icon right here, then navigate to the leveling tab, click on that as well, and then on this printer there's only auto leveling, which means you can't do it manually. And that means also you don't need to use any paper or basically anything. You just click on auto leveling. When you have your printer assembled, make sure that the plate is empty, there's nothing on it. Then click on auto leveling. It will take around 5 to maybe 10 minutes and the leveling should be complete. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.